In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook page not found error. First of all, let's go to Play Store. Then in the search tab, search for Facebook. Here you see the update button. Click on it and update your Facebook. If your app is already up to date, here's what you can do. Go to Settings. Scroll down below until you find Apps. Click on it. Then click on App Management. Scroll down until you see Facebook. Click on it. Now you will see Storage Users button. Click on it. Here you will see Clear Cache button in bright red. Press it. After you're done with it, try relaunching your Facebook and your problem should be solved now. If you think this was helpful, please like our video and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.